Hello students, this is Lakshmikant Parse. Today we are going to learn the first lesson of Geography Standard 10, Field Visit. So, the title itself indicates what is the meaning of field visit. It is the visit made to the field, whether of any type, just to collect the information and to study it. Let us see. Any visit which is made to any place to gather some information about it is called field visit. This is very important study method in geography. Let us look at the importance. It helps to understand the various geographical concepts, elements, and processes through direct experiences. Because we are directly reaching to that place, observing everything by taking in hand, touching it, so it is called as a direct experience. It helps to understand the correlation between human and environment, how we are depend on environment, how the human beings depend on environment, what is the correlation and how it is formed, we directly come across. For going to field visit, what preparations are required? First, we need to decide the place of field visit. Where are we going? Deciding the purpose of field visit. What is the purpose of visiting? Are we going to gather information regarding forest, to gather information regarding culture, regarding history? What type of information you want? So what is the purpose of visit? Deciding schedule. When are you going? How are we going? By what means we are going? How many of we are going? So that is the schedule. And when are you going to start? Collecting location maps we required, permission letters. If suppose we are visiting any factory, so we need to have a permission letter of the authorities. We need to have some documents for that. And we need to prepare few questions. That is called as a questionnaires. Questions are very much helpful for understanding and asking. We need to be ready with the questionnaires. So there must be at least 15 to 20 questions we must be ready to ask. So those are questionnaires. Now what are the things required? Because we are going to note it down, so notebook we want a questionnaire set, we want pen and pencil, we want a scale, we want a camera, we want a compass for understanding the direction. Where are we going? We need to have a bag with us for collecting some samples and keeping in it. We require maps, we require a camera to take a photographs and video to make it as a proof. Again we required first aid box. Suppose any minor injury happens, so that we can just get it recovered by doing some first aid treatment. What precautions need to be taken? There are few precautions for that we need to follow. We need to obey all the instructions of the teachers, ensuring that no one does not harm the environment in any way during field visit. So don't harm environment. Collecting relevant information as per the purpose of field visit. Relevant information, so don't digress yourself. Be connected with the proper information. Ask relevant questions, don't digress yourself. And at last we need to write a report. In what includes in report writing? Let us see. The basis, information gathered from field visit. What information we have gathered that we are going to mention? We need to add some photographs, some maps, informative charts, and questionnaires at last. What is the format? Now how to write? There is a question. First, give introduction that you visited that place for this purpose, when you visited, how visited, what are the objectives you carried with us, and main body starts, that is the presentation of the information obtained, that what changes you noticed, how you feel, what you actually experienced, that you need to mention, what information you gathered, what questions are asked, what exactly happened that you mentioned, and at last give a conclusion. Conclusion you can mention about your own experience in your own words. This is what the field report writing is. Now correlation with the current lesson, field visit. The current lesson is field visit, and in this lesson we come across there is one student, Rahul. He's going along with his friend and under the guidance of school teacher. They started from Naldurg, it is in Usmanabad district, to Alibag, Raigad district. So huge journey they want to make, and they are coming from dry area to the area, reaching to the area which is mild one and very hot one, as it is very near to the sea. So from one point to the another point, and what experience they are facing during their travel, it is revealed through their dialogue. There is a change in the vegetation, there is change in soil, there is a change in the settlement structure of the house, there is change in vegetation, there is change in climates. So all those things are mentioned through their dialogue, and you better read the lesson from that point of view so that you can understand very well. Okay.